Have you ever noticed this pattern in life? You study all your life, work like a slave for your boss, live a boring routine, earn just enough to survive, and then wait for your kids to take care of you in old age. Honestly, who even wants to live a life like that anymore? Today, everyone wants to get rich fast. People want to earn more money, live better lives. But still, many people ignore the most important things: saving and investing. They delay starting. They're afraid. And instead, they spend money like it's unlimited. Then what happens? They get stuck in loans, EMIs, debt traps. And instead of benefiting from compounding, they end up working against it. If you truly want financial freedom, you need to fix your messy finances by understanding one powerful compounding rule, a rule that can help you work for just a few years and enjoy freedom for life. But here's the reality. Even people who know this still ignore it. Let me tell you a story. There were three friends, Ethan, Ryan, and Alex. They were best friends in college. They lived together in a hostel, studied together, and everyone called them the three idiots. But after college, life took them in completely different directions. Ethan came from a middle-class family. He struggled a lot financially and joined college through scholarships. But after graduation, he landed a job in a big MNC. He started earning around $600 per month. Sound great, right? Ryan and Alex. Ryan didn't get a strong campus placement, so he decided to start a business and build freelancing skills. Alex followed his passion, photography. In the first year, both Ryan and Alex earned less than Ethan. But here's the difference. They started saving and investing, even from their small income, because they understood one thing clearly. You can't survive your whole life depending on a single income. So they planned their budget, controlled expenses, started building income-generating assets. Ethan's lifestyle. But Ethan? He had no plan. He thought, you only live once, enjoy life. So he started spending. He rented a 1 BHK apartment near his office, started upgrading his lifestyle. Within a year, he got a salary hike. Then he thought, why not buy a car? He bought a $12,000 compact SUV. Monthly EMI, $250. His thinking? I earned $600. What's $250 EMI? But the real problem? His total fixed expenses became $450 per month. Rent, $200. Emmy, $250. Still no worries. Parties, gadgets, lifestyle upgrades became his normal life. 5 years later, after 5 years, Ethan's salary grew to around $1,000 per month, but his spending habits? Still the same. One day, he decided to meet Ryan and Alex. They met after years, reminiscing about college memories. Then Ethan asked, how's your financial life? Salary good? Bought house and car. Ryan's answer. Ryan said, everything is going well. I do freelancing and run an online business. I earn decent income. Already had a house. I drive a simple, comfortable car. Not interested in flashy things. And yes, I invest every month. Alex's answer. Alex smiled and said, first year was tough. Now I have a stable job in a sports company. I earn around $1,000 per month. Plus, I make extra $300 per month from social media and events. Ethan was shocked. He asked, how about your lifestyle? Alex said, everything will come slowly. I'm planning to retire in 8 to 10 years. Ethan couldn't believe it. Retire? Without salary? How? Alex replied, I follow the 8-4-3 compounding rule. 80% for expenses, 20% for saving and investing. My first salary was $300. I invested $60 in index funds. Now I invest $120 per month consistently. Alex said, I started small too. I live with my parents to save rent. Use public transport. When expenses are low, saving becomes automatic. But Ethan? He got bored. Life just started. Why think about retirement now? Markets are risky, jobs are safe. That hurt Alex. They decided to meet again in a few years. 8 years later, Ethan got married, bought a $75,000 apartment on loan. Monthly EMI, $550. Even with dual income, Their savings were almost zero. At his housewarming, Ryan and Alex came again. Ryan said, I invested $120 per month for 8 years at 12% return. Now I've built around $27,000 wealth. Alex said, I started with $120 per month and increased investment by 10% every year. Now I have a strong portfolio. Ethan was shocked. That's when he realized, I made a huge mistake. He asked, what is this 8-4-3 rule? 8-4-3 rule explained. Alex said, first, decide your retirement goal. Then, invest monthly. Increase investment by 10% every year. Expect around 12% returns. In 8 years, you build strong wealth. Next 4 years, it doubles. Next 3 years, massive growth. That's the 8-4-3 rule of compounding. Important note, always consider inflation. Example, $300,000 after 15 years equals only around $120,000 in today's value. So planning without inflation is dangerous. Alex said, if you start at the right age, you can achieve financial freedom before 40. Then you can invest in real estate, businesses, and build multiple income streams. Even Warren Buffett became rich because of compounding. His advice? Don't get trapped in trading. Trust long-term investing. Invest in index funds. If you do this right, you won't just secure your retirement. You'll build wealth for your next generation. But wait, there's something even more important you need to understand. Most people think, I'll start investing when I earn more. But that's the biggest mistake. Because wealth is not built by income. It's built by consistency. Let me tell you a simple truth. 2 people. One earns $500 and invests $100 consistently. Another earns $2,000 but saves nothing. After 10 years, the first person becomes financially strong. The second person is still stuck. Why? Because of one powerful concept. Time in the market beats timing the market. And here's another mistake people make. They wait for the perfect time, perfect salary, perfect knowledge, perfect market. But the truth is, there is no perfect time, only starting time. Even if you start with just $50, start. Even if you don't understand everything, start. Because small money plus long time equals big wealth. And remember this line, your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. After 10 years, you'll either say, thank God I started early, or I wish I had started. Choose your side. So now, calculate your retirement goal. Start investing today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Prime Invests. Thank you.